In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle division by zero in Snowflake. When working with databases and performing calculations, one common issue developers may encounter is the division by zero error. This happens when a number or value, known as the divisor, is zero in a division operation. If not handled properly, this can cause applications to crash or produce errors that disrupt your workflow. Fortunately, Snowflake provides an efficient way to address this problem using the div0 function. Now, let's delve into the specifics of this function and how to utilize it effectively. Snowflake's div0 function is tailor-made for these situations. It simplifies your code and keeps your applications running smoothly by returning a value of 0 instead of an error when the divisor is 0. This ensures that your calculations continue without interruption. Picture this. You are in the midst of a crucial analysis, and suddenly, your results are derailed because of a division by zero error. Annoying, right? This is where div0 becomes invaluable. By substituting the traditional division operation with div0, you can preemptively manage potential errors. The syntax for this function is refreshingly simple and straightforward. It follows this structure. div0, open parenthesis, the dividend, which is the number you intend to divide, comma, the divisor, which is the number you intend to divide by, and then a close parenthesis. Using this syntax, you can seamlessly integrate the div0 function into your SQL queries. When the divisor is a non-zero value, the function behaves exactly like a normal division operation. However, when the divisor is 0, it immediately returns 0, preventing a disruptive error from occurring. Let's walk through a brief example to illustrate how this works in practice. Imagine you have a table with sales data and you are performing calculations to determine average sales per day. If one day's sales are mistakenly recorded as 0 using traditional division might cause an error. By applying the div0 function, Snowflake will handle this gracefully by returning 0, allowing your query to continue running smoothly. This approach not only keeps your application running without hitches, but also makes your code cleaner and more robust to handle unexpected data errors. Remember, the div0 function is a powerful tool in your Snowflake toolkit, allowing you to focus on gaining insights from your data without the worry of runtime errors due to division by zero scenarios. So, next time you find yourself faced with potential division by zero errors, you now have a straightforward and reliable solution at your fingertips with Snowflake's div0 function. Thanks for watching and happy querying.